Hi everyone, today we are painting this challenging cityscape. As you can see, the cityscapes are very challenging to paint, but today I will make it easy for you. So follow along and let's create a stunning cityscape together. So we will start with a simple light blue. Keep the stroke smooth and even to create a soft open atmosphere. A lighter tones, a lighter sky will keep enhance the depth of our painting. As you can see, the far effect of the mountains are very stunning. So now let's add a stunning mountain using a cool muted blue to create deep and stable look. This will make the background feel far away and atmospheric. So in the valley between these mountains we will paint our city. Imagine an old city surrounded by rolling hills and peaks. This setting adds a sense of history and mystery to the artwork. So these kind of artworks are very popular in the ancient time. Lots of the artists paint these kinds of landscapes. These cityscapes are very difficult because they are painting live in front of the city. So from the top of the mountains here came to the fun part, painting the buildings. I'm adding the mix of old and new structures to show the city revolution over time. The contrast of the different style make it more immersive. So now let's bring some life into the paintings with the trees and highlights and adding some windows in the buildings, and a few brighter spots will make the city feel more dynamic and realistic. And now for the best part, peeling off the masking tape, and this give our artwork clean sharp edges. And there you have it, our acrylic cityscape is complete. I hope you enjoy this step-by-step tutorial. Let me know in the comment with the cityscape you would like to see next, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's paint together.